Your balcony plants aren't dying, they're wilting in the heat, and it's fixable. Here are 12 quick fixes to get them standing tall again through the hottest weeks of summer. Shallow sips grow shallow roots that fry in the heat. When you water, keep pouring until it runs out of the drainage holes. Deep roots reach cooler, damper soil, and they shrug off the afternoon sun. Twice a week, deep beats every day shallow. Morning is the golden hour. Water before 9 and the roots stock up before the heat arrives. Evening watering leaves pots damp overnight and invites fungus, and a midday pour mostly evaporates before your plant can drink it. Set a phone alarm until it becomes habit. Wilted leaves don't always mean thirsty. Overwatered roots wilt exactly the same way. Push a finger 2 knuckles into the soil before you pour. Dry down there, water it. Still damp? Hold off, or you'll drown a struggling plant. A stone or concrete floor can pass 50 degrees in full sun, and it cooks roots from below. Lift every pot onto pot feet, a wooden slat, or an upturned saucer so air can flow underneath and carry that heat away. Even 2 centimeters of air gap makes a real difference. Small pots dry out in hours, not days. If a plant wilts every single afternoon, it's probably root-bound. Move it into a pot a few sizes bigger, and all that extra soil becomes a water reservoir working for you. And terracotta breathes. It stays cooler than black plastic. Bare soil bakes. Cover the top of every pot with 2 or 3 centimeters of bark, straw, or even gravel. That single layer roughly halves evaporation, so the water you pour actually stays down where the roots can use it. Full sun all day is simply too much in a heat wave. Shift your pots so they catch morning sun and afternoon shade, or clip a strip of shade cloth to the rail. Most vegetables will still crop perfectly happily. 30% shade cloth is plenty. Cluster your pots together for the hot weeks. Their leaves shade each other's soil, and the moisture they release builds a cooler, more humid pocket of air around the whole group. Loners out on a hot corner always wilt first. Even 3 pots huddled together helps. When potting mix dries out completely, it starts repelling water. A quick pour just races down the sides and out the bottom. Stand the whole pot in a basin of water for 20 minutes so the soil soaks it up from below. Out all day through a scorcher? Set a saucer under each thirsty pot and fill it in the morning, or push a water-filled bottle spike into the soil. Your plant keeps sipping steadily all day while you're gone. Skip the fertilizer while it's scorching. A heat-stressed plant can't use the nutrients, and the salts left sitting in dry soil burn its roots, which makes the wilting even worse. Feed again once the heat finally breaks. Squash, hydrangeas, and other big-leaved plants droop dramatically at noon, even in wet soil. That's just how they save water. If the leaves perk back up by evening, everything is fine. Only act when they're still limp at sunrise. Deep water, a morning routine, a little shade, that's the rescue kit. If it saved a plant, like it. Share it with a friend whose balcony is baking, and subscribe for daily grow guides.